Hi everyone, welcome to Naman.ai. So I'm here today again a new model with a new use case. So today we're going to build a new model on water level indication. So water level indication with respect to bottles. Say we have any water bottle. So what is the level of water in the bottle? Okay. So it's not. I mean, it's need not be only water bottle, but also any transparent bottles. Okay, I meant I don't cold drinks. It might be any transparent bottles where it might be water, it might be any other fluid or liquid substances. So this use case can be used in health and fitness. So say many people use water bottles to track their daily water intake, like how much water they need to drink. Okay, so with computer vision, water level indication can be used to monitor and track the amount of water consumed, helping individuals meet their daily hydration goals. It is also used in manufacturing. Say a water level indication using computer vision can be used in manufacturing water bottles to ensure that each bottle is filled to the desired level. Okay, it can also be used in food and beverage industry and in hospitality. In hotels, restaurants, and cafes, water level indication can be used to ensure that customers are provided with the right amount of water, and also environment sustainability. Water level indication reusable water bottles can help promote environment sustainability by encouraging people to use refilled water bottles instead of disposable bottles. And it also can be used in safety, where to detect the presence of foreign objects in water bottles, ensuring the water is safe for consuming. Overall, this kind of using computer vision models to indicate water levels in water bottles can help promote health, safety, environmental sustainability, and all. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use FisherNet P2. Okay, so this is how we enter into our platform. We picked a V2 FSNet version. So here I'm going to name this as water. I'm just giving water. It may not be water. Water level indication in bottles. Water level indication in bottles. Water level indication in bottles. Okay. So for this, I will ask water level. Last two I can give it as of water level, and I can add one more class for it. So I'm adding three classes here, by the way. So one is full water level, okay, and other one is half water level, and third class I'm giving it as overflowing level. Okay. So I'll go to the same each classes and add images for each of class. Say of this. So I have added 100 images, and I'll add 100 images for half water level. So 100 images for half water level. And same for overflowing level of that, but I guess there are no 100 images. So I've added 39 images because I've got the data for only 39 images. So let us go train these three models with these images. Full water level 100 images, off water level 100 images, overflowing I have 39 images. Let us start training. So now the model has been running the pipeline. So We'll get a pop-up message. We'll be getting a mail once the model is trained. Then we can do the testing process there. Let us now try testing the model. The training phase has done. So let us now try the testing phase for this model. Okay. So before I go, like to here, the accuracy is 95% and the validation accuracy is 84%. So the model has took 192 images to train the model, and to validate it took 47 images. Okay, so I have given 80 to 20% ratio. So let us go for the testing phase. Let us test the model. Just click on start testing. Yep. Let us go to browse. So let us try testing a half water bottle. Yeah, so now the model has predicted that this image is 87% confident that the water level or what the liquid content in this water bottle is half level. Okay. Similarly, for full water level, we'll try to just one. Yeah. So the model has predicted that the image which we just uploaded is it's 93% confident that this is the water level is full here. Okay. So that's how we test the product. We test the model here, and the export phase. Like we have three models, three levels of exporting models. One is download model first. Second one is download Docker image, and third one is download deploy models API. Okay, so we can just go through the code or instructions. So yeah, that's how we can build your own models. Okay.